New slides you add to your course may not match the design of your existing slides. Luckily, the Apply Layout button can fix that problem. When you import a PowerPoint slide, copy and paste in a slide from another Storyline course, or insert a slide from either Team Slides or the content library, the Slide Master layouts associated with the new slide are also added to your course. To show you what I mean, I'll insert a new slide layout from the content library. To make this new slide look more like it belongs in this course, I would use the Apply Layout button on the Home tab. Scroll up to the existing layouts that are being used by other slides and select one of them, like Title Only. You'll now start to see that this slide already looks more like it should. There are some adjustments you would need to make. For instance, the title needs to move on the slide, and sometimes the slide title itself even needs to be adjusted for the text alignment. So you can see now it's in the center. Maybe the other text here on the slide needs to be changed to black so it shows up on the white background. I can do that. And then if this shape here needs to match the colors on the rest of the course, we can change that shape fill as well. And you can see that pretty quickly and without much work, now this slide matches the rest of the slides in the course. It's even using the proper fonts as well. Thanks for watching. At UConn Learning, our goal is to make e-learning easy for everyone, no matter your experience level. Visit us at uconnlearning.com to start building better learning experiences.